Good morning, guys. Wilson here with Anchors Away Travel. We are here at Beaches, the world's best family all-inclusive resort in the world. Beaches is a Sandals property, the family version of Sandals. So I'm just gonna give you a quick little tour around. It's the morning right now, so the sun's not really peeking out yet. Everyone's still in their rooms, probably having breakfast or just waking up. So I'm just going to give you a look around. Right now you can see that's the Beaches Tennis Club for anybody who wants to play a little tennis. And keep in mind that pretty much everything is included here at the resort. Non-motorized water sports, everything from paddle boarding to glass bottom boat. So you can go out and do some snorkeling, to the hobby cat sailboats. The food is included. There's 21 or 22 restaurants at the moment. All the bars, all the alcohol is included, and you will have some stuff that's a bit more top shelf, like the Tito's, I guess, the Absolute, that type of stuff. A little better than some other resorts. So right now we are in the Caribbean Village. This is the original village when Beaches bought this property and converted it to a Beaches. So basically what there is there's 5 different villages. You've got the Caribbean Village, you've got the French Village, you've got the Italian Village, you've got the Seaside Village, and you've got the newest Key West Village. They're all a little bit different, all have a little bit of different vibe, different price points, but I'll go over those in more detail as we go along. I'm gonna break this video up into 5 different small videos for each village. So right here you've got the departure lounge, which is where you go when you're leaving the resort, where they have internet, snacks, food, place to chill out, air conditioning, bathrooms. That's where you bring all, they bring all your luggage there, and you wait for your transfer, your shuttle, which, by the way, all transfers to and from the airport are all included. So, and what you're gonna find about this resort is what really truly makes it, besides all the amenities here, are the people. They've got people from Jamaica, from Haiti, the natives from Turks and Caicos, some from Puerto Rico. So they really have a great blend of people here, and they're just amazing. They make your trip. I mean, we've got a few in particular that we've made friends with, which I'll go over with you in a little bit. As a matter of fact, here, this little area here is where they have a Wednesday fish fry. And please don't let that be confused with the island fish fry that they have Thursday, which, by the way, I highly recommend. The island fish fry is really a way for you to get out and intermingle with the natives. They're out there selling stuff, t-shirts, knickknacks, trinkets. A bunch of local restaurants have food booths there, so you can try some of the local fare. They have music there. Just something I would recommend to just get off the resort for maybe a couple of hours to check out. But here they have the Wednesday fish fry, which is just a smaller version of that they do here right on property, right in front of the Caribbean Village. And right here, as you can see, they have the boutique, which is pretty much a store. So you can come by, gift shop, clothes, suntan lotion, all that stuff. Morning, guys. Here's another resort shop. This one's gonna have some more casual stuff. The other one's gonna be a little bit more upscale in terms of what you can get. This one has more of the regular stuff. Morning, sir. And here you get a nurse's station. Hopefully you don't need that. But our daughter on this trip happened to get an ear infection, so it came in handy for us to go see the nurse to get her a little bit of relief. Here there's a little craft shop which is open from 9 to 4:30, where the kids can go do some crafts, paint some pottery. There is an additional expense to this, depending on what pottery you pick. Could be anywhere from $10 to $20, but it's something fun. Maybe if it's, if you get inclement weather or something for the kids to do. And here where we're at the Caribbean Village entrance. So typically when you walk in here, right there at that little table booth, whatever you want to call it, they'll greet you with a cool towel, a rum punch upon your arrival. And as we walk in, we've got the island tours where you can book all your tours at the resort, tours off property. Here you've got the Sandals Loyal and Travel Booking Center. So this is basically where you can come in and book your next trip right on property. And they do offer a discount when you do that. If you do choose to do that, please make sure you see Kelly so you can transfer your booking, so you'll have someone handling your booking for you. But we definitely recommend that you book right on property to receive a discount. Here they have a coffee station that you can come to in the morning. Just be self-serve yourself. And you see here's a concierge lounge, excuse me. So basically, if you're on a concierge level, you can go there and you'll have your private check-in. You'll have some amenities that they will go over with you. Here you have Turtles Lounge, which is basically a small bar that you can come hang out at night. And here's Reflections, which is a buffet. You can go grab your food, breakfast, lunch, and then they do turn that into a restaurant at night as well. And Reflections is also outdoors, as you can see. Now here we have what we call the iguana pool, which is in the main building that we just came out of. In the iguana pool, it's a casual pool. They got a swim-up bar. Quite frankly, this is where my wife and I had our wedding reception about 7 years ago. And I'll walk you up here quickly. So if you are interested in planning a destination wedding, these guys do it unbelievably. And especially if there's going to be a wedding with children, this resort obviously includes families, all the children. Anyway, here they have a volleyball net. You see the guy cleaning the pool. And there's the iguana pool bar, which is always fun. So basically what they did here is they cleared out all these chairs for us. And we had a unbelievable reception. It was done pretty much at sundown, where we had a fire dancer, we had a steel band playing, the whole bit. It was just absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to take you around the Caribbean Village here just a little bit so you can see what it's like. Again, the Caribbean Village is just more of a chill vibe, more laid back. The pools are going to be slightly smaller than the Italian or the French Village. It's also going to be closer to the beach. So if you're a beach person, this is the village you really want to be in. I would say the rooms are a bit more dated than a few of the other villages, because this was the first village, but they have been making a tremendous amount of upgrades to these rooms over the last year or so. This is also Sapadilla's, a Caribbean restaurant, which is awesome. They have some shuffleboard here where you can go borrow the stuff for the day, if you will. They also have a basketball court. They have hammocks. They have giant chests. If you're into that type of thing. So if you get some kids that want to play some ball, they can do it here. And right now, we are walking to the Arizona pool, towards the Arizona pool. And here are some of the activities that they post.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
So we have things like tie-dye for the kids. We have Disney parades for the kids. We get this new company called Creativia that's doing shows. We got reggae nights, beach parties, all sorts of good stuff. Morning.
How are you?
Great, yourself? So this is the Arizona pool, which is also a fun pool, decent sized pool. As you can see, you got all your loungers. You've got your cabanas, which can be rented. Those do come at an extra cost. For the cabanas, those are pretty much either for butler service, if you've got a butler service type room, or you can pay an additional cost to rent those for the day. Anyway, this is also a swim-up bar. As you can see under the red canopy there. Pretty decent sized one. And as a matter of fact, one of our favorite all-time bartenders, and you may have heard of him if you've kind of been researching beaches a little bit. His name is Bishop. His whole famous saying is why not? He's an amazing man. He used to be in the Italian village, excuse me. They moved him over here to the Caribbean village to liven things up a little bit, and that he has done. And they've got a nice hot tub here, jacuzzi. Maybe mom and dad hang out in here while the kids are inside the pool. And as you can see, there's Grace Bay Beach right there, right near the pool. All right, right now we got showers here as well. Right now I want to take you down to this area. This is where they have what they call the jerk shack, and where they have the beach party area. So on Friday nights, they have a big beach party here. And there's the sign for the jerk shack, by the way, which is jerk chicken, jerk pork, little spot down the road here. So they have a big beach party here where a bunch of the staff meet you. Is one of my favorite signs at the resort. I wish I could stay here forever. This is the area where they have all different foods. They have the entertainment. These lights are lit at night. Morning. As you can see, the place is well secured. There's security that pretty much lines the beach at different entrance points to make sure that only guests are staying here. So this is like a beach picnic party kind of theme. They have 3 or 4 little bars set up. And like I said, they have all sorts of food, games, entertainment, shows. So, and that's Friday night. Try not to miss that. That's always a fun night. And this is the world famous Jerk Shack. And they've also got picnic tables here for you to eat. There's a hammock there if you want to chill out after eating. And like I said, this place serves your jerk pork, your jerk chicken. They also serve, rum punches and things of that effect. It's very, very popular with the guests here. Get a volleyball court here as well. And there's your little bar area that I was mentioning that has some of your drinks.